We'll start by ripping this 2 foot by 8 foot sheet in half to give us a roughly 12-inch wide top and bottom. Next, we can measure and cut our top and bottom to the final length of 50 inches for this project. We're going to be rounding the ends of our top and bottom to give it a classic mid-century look, so to do this we'll use an adjustable compass to mark a half circle on each end of the plywood. I'll start by finding the center of the board and then placing the anchor point of the compass in that location. Next, I can stretch the compass out to the far edge of the board and lock the width on the tool. Next, turn the compass 90 degrees and slide the tool back until the pencil lines up with the edge of the board, making sure to keep your anchor point centered. This will ensure each edge is the same distance from the anchor point and allow you to create a perfect half circle. Once your compass is set, trace out the line for your cut, making sure that each edge is aligned properly. We can repeat this process for each end of the boards, then move on to cutting it out using a jigsaw or a bandsaw depending on your capabilities. Once the ends of the board have been cut, you can use a finish sander to touch up the final shape and remove any excess material. The final step is to add Osborne's walnut edge banding to each plywood edge. Osborne offers pre-glued edge banding in a wide range of sizes and wood species, so be sure to check out the links below if you're needing edge banding for your next project. If you want to know how to install pre-glued edge banding, check out the video above for a full tutorial.